Growing your Instagram followers takes a mix of strategy, consistency, and quality. Here's a solid guide to help you boost your followers. Number 1. Optimize your profile. Use a clear, high quality profile pictures. Write a compelling bio including your niche, a call to action, or contact info. Add a link to your website, YouTube, or other socials. Second, post high quality content. Use good lighting, clean editing, and consistent style or filters. Share content that fits your niche and provide value, entertainment, inspiration, or education. Carousel posts and reels currently perform better than regular photos. Third, use reels strategically. Reels have huge reach potential. Use trending audio, relevant hashtags. Keep them short and engaging. Hook people in the first 3 seconds. Fourth, use hashtag wisely. Mix popular and niche hashtags. Use up to 30 but make sure they are relevant. Create a few hashtag sets to rotate between posts. Fifth, post consistently. Stick to schedule, example 3 to 5 times a week. Use Instagram stories to stay active daily. Sixth, engage with your audience. Reply to comments and DMs. Like and comment to others' posts in your niche. Use polls, questions, and sliders in stories to increase interaction. Seventh, collaborate with others. Team up with creators in your niche for shoutouts or collabs. Participates in challenges or trends. 8th, promote your IG elsewhere. Share your IG content on other platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Twitter, or Facebook. Add your Instagram handle to your email signature or business cards. 9th, analyze and adjust. Use Instagram Insights to see what content performs best. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.